Hello, little yogis. Welcome to Kids Yoga Time. I'm so happy you made it today. Remember to like and subscribe so you never miss our fun yoga time together. Today's session will help you feel strong, brave, and happy. Get ready to move, breathe, and relax your body and mind. And let's begin. Get on your mat or towel and get ready to begin. Stand tall like a mountain, feet a little apart, hands together at your heart. Smile softly. Look forward. Chair pose. Stand with your feet together. Bend your knees. Lift your arms up. Sit back like a chair. Tree pose. Stand on one leg. Place the other foot on your inner leg, not on your knee. Bring your hands together at your chest. Stay still and balance. Warrior 2. Step your feet wide apart. Bend your front knee. Stretch your arms out to the sides. Look over your front hand. Downward dog. Place your hands on the floor, step your feet back, lift your hips up high, make your body like a triangle. Star jumps. Stand tall. Jump your feet wide. Stretch your arms out. Jump back in. Plank pose. Place your hands under your shoulders. Stretch your legs back. Keep your body straight. Hold and breathe. Cat pose. Get on hands and knees. Round your back up. Drop your belly down. Move slowly. Camel pose. Kneel on the floor. Reach your hands to your heels. Push your hips forward. Lift your chest up. Savasana. Lie flat on your back. Place your arms by your sides. Close your eyes. Relax and breathe slowly. Seated forward stretch. Stretch your legs out. Reach forward gently. Relax your shoulders. Breathe slowly. Meditation pose. Sit cross-legged. Keep your back straight. Place your hands on your knees. Close your eyes. Take slow breaths. Great job! You completed the entire routine. Now let's celebrate. Remember to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss our yoga time together. See you next time.